This is a British military carabiner. I bought several of these to improve the accuracy of my Captain Price cosplay. This one is more triangular shaped than what I had been using, so this better matches the video game. What I had been using, I bought this carabiner and several others at the Marine Corps Mountain Warfare Training Center. It's a little more, I guess, trapezoid shaped, and the locking mechanism is this threaded sleeve that you get to unscrew, and then you can operate the carabiner, and then you lock it. Probably everybody here is used to this. Meanwhile, the British one is spring-loaded. This mechanism, you rotate it, and then you operate the carabiner, which is very interesting, and you can operate it with one hand behind your back, like how Captain Price has the carabiner on his kit. So I can actually rotate that and operate the carabiner very easily. So this makes me very convinced that the British military carabiner is the one that he has on the back of his vest, as opposed to the US military one, which I had been using and is very difficult to operate when it's behind me. So while these are carabiners and these are steel and rated for a lot of weight, what most of us had been using at the Mountain Warfare Training Center for rappelling and mountain climbing are these carabiners. They're aluminum and they're lightweight, and these are what we used when we built a Swiss seat or a military seat out of, I believe, 1/2 inch or 9/16 inch rope, and we'd use these to rappel and mountain climb. So these are made out of aluminum. This one is bare and this one is coated for it to be more subdued. And a carabiner, this is a true carabiner, as a segment that is spring-loaded and it locks back into itself. So when you apply weight to this, it's not going to open up and break, as opposed to this, which I have incorrectly called a carabiner, and many other people. This is more accurately a spring link or a spring hook, because it's not a true carabiner because it does not lock back into itself. It just has a segment that is spring-loaded so that you can basically use this as a key ring, or like attach some sort of a strap or a backpack or something very lightweight. A lot of these will be marked not for climbing because they're not rated and you can't use this as a real carabiner. While these are true carabiners, and the carabiner was invented by Otto Herzog, a German mountain climber, in essentially 1910. He took an existing link from a fire department, modified it for climbing purposes, and there's been several other improvements since then. But the carabiner, invented by a German mountain climber.